Rapid technological growth, along with the need for greater security, is making tasks for people in the industrial environment more complicated, variable, and wide-ranging. Quality assurance activities are not an exception. Due to the increasing amount of paperwork, people are unable to spend enough time on their main tasks or to share technical know-how with their colleagues. How can such issues be solved? The answer lies in the most advanced IT technology, augmented reality, or AR. Misterine provides the best AR solutions for all maintenance activities. For situations involving inspection or repair, where one needs a direct view inside the object being repaired and must have both hands free, a tabletop AR setup with an overhead camera and projector is the most effective solution. Using the overhead camera, our advanced image recognition and precise spatial tracking technology can monitor and comprehend the user's activities as well as the current state of the object in view. The interactive AR system provides step-by-step instructions, recognizes errors, and provides advice for corrective actions through the overhead projector. It can also project a virtual keyboard onto any smooth surface on the desk. At the end of the work, the user can check statistical information, including the amount of time spent, the number of parts checked, and a quality inspection summary. Augmented reality enables users to save a substantial amount of time on paperwork or other non-productive work and maximizes saved time for their main tasks. By utilizing our AR products in maintenance fields, companies can achieve higher efficiency, reduce human error, and raise safety levels. The best tool for achieving higher quality assurance is not the addition of more controlling points. It is right here with augmented reality. Misterine, empowering people with augmented reality and pioneering the augmentation of industrial processes.